2023 Presidential Awards for Performance Excellence. This is Masterpiece. Yung support, and syempre yung perseverance, yung grit. Congratulations, the others. Dadating po yan. So please just sit back and relax. And of course, you may also use this time for a quick trip to the bathroom. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Asia's Got Talent's Golden Buzzer, Eliana Gabonada. You won't hold me down. Flying so high. Okay, let's now proceed with the awarding of our 2023 top performers. Habang mataas ang ating energy and a call back on stage, our presenters. Sir Ferns, Ma'am Cynthia, Ma'am Belle, na talagang todo ang workout today. Maraming salamat po. As well as Chef Kieran, please join us on stage. And this time they will be on stage with South Luzon RBU Head, Ma'am Mitchie Mariano. We will again call each store team accompanied by their respective area manager and operations director. So this is it, ladies and gentlemen. Let us now all celebrate the masterful achievements of our 2023 PAPE awardees from RBU South Luzon. This time, our next PAPE awardees are from Jollibee, General Trias Highway. What a big team. Proof that it really takes a village. But great job, everyone, and big smiles. Thank you very much. And congratulations again, Team General Trias Highway. We salute all of you. Once again, our maestros of performance excellence for a job well done.
So yun, uwian na. Tamang picture na. Picture na naman. Bye.